Welcome to this particular video, and in this particular video I'll be sharing with you how you could apply for your KYC verification. Yes, a lot of people have been talking that until you are actually invited before you will be able to perform your KYC verification, but actually I've been consistent with mining, and you could see I've mined over 30 Ruby, and up till now I haven't gotten my invitation. If you look at this particular place, there's no notification, and I've been waiting. And if you have watched my previous video, the one I dropped of recent, you see that I talk about the Ruby mining. Yes, the Ruby mining KYC verification for 1.6. If you come to this particular side, so, and if you come to this particular side, you see that I'm already fit for the verification, but I'm only waiting for invitation. So at EKYC verification, so if I tap on it and I type on continue, you see that when you come to this particular side, I've completed ownership information of 30 days from mining, exploited at least 30 Ruby. So I'm only waiting to receive invitation from KYC. But in this particular video, I'll be sharing with you how you could actually apply for your KYC. So let's go back. Let me go back. Another thing I would like to share with you is that you could see now that I have around 10 referrals, but 5 of them are active. And if you want to start mining Ruby now, I'll be dropping my referral code, which you'll be able to get some certain Ruby if you're able to use my referral code. If you want to start, you can actually start. You are not too late. So you can just come down to mining group here. When you come to this mining group now currently I want to remind them. You could see this particular one, these are mining, but this one is off. I can actually remind them through this this button. So if I tap it, they will be reminded. I pray they get a notification and they're able to come. So what you do now to apply for this verification, so that when the verification invitation starts rolling out, you'll be able to be the first one to be sent the invite link because you have already applied. So you tap on this particular place where I'm showing you, which is the mining section. Before I even show you that particular, let me show you important things. When you come to Ruby exploit, tap on it. When you look at this column, you will see, do you see the number of people that are unverified? This is the number of people that are verified currently. We have the on-chain, we have this number, and this particular figure here. Later on I'll be talking more about it. So let's just go to the main topic that I was telling you about it, how to apply for KYC. So you come down to statistics here. After you tap this particular thing, please I urge you share this particular video so that I could share it to a lot of people so that they could start applying. So for everybody that is under my group member, immediately you can also apply, but immediately I apply, it will also be, you'll be able, because you are part of my group, you also be getting the notification. So you tap on this particular this thing that look like a funnel here. So you tap on it, this filter, you see it says new member, you say KYC status, you leave it at all here, and you see mining status, you leave it at all here. Then you tap on apply. That is what you need to do. Then you tap on this particular thing that looks like a funnel again, you tap on old members. So on that one again, you see the KYC status, you could see you leave it at all. You also leave this one at all here. Then you tap on apply. So if you have done this, I tell you, you'll be one of the first that will be sent the invitation when the invitation start going, because you have already applied. Quite different from other people that are waiting for a Ruby team to just actually send them a verification. So if you have any question to ask pertaining to what I just shared with you or anything about Ruby, please kindly drop it in the comment of this particular video. And also remember to like, share, and click on the bell notification so that you get notified anytime I upload any other new video. And I'll also be sharing a lot of things that is actually happening underground in the Ruby system. Thank you. Bye bye for now.